How to delete account on Google Authenticator. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up your Authenticator application. So just tap on your Authenticator app. Make sure to continue in the application. After that, this will be the user interface of Authenticator app. Now if you want to delete an account, then you got to tap on the profile and you get the option of edit and delete. You can directly delete it from here. If not, you can select on edit, and then here you can select the option of delete at the bottom, so you can cancel or delete the account. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.